Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel where I unlock the secrets to winning in the marketing game. Today we're diving into the hottest strategies of 2024. So grab your notepad because we're about to charge up your marketing skills. Let's go. First up, let's talk about where the party's at. LinkedIn, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. These platforms are like the cool new club that everybody's talking about. Instagram is getting crowded and lame. It's like trying to shout in a noisy room, nobody's going to hear you. So what's the action step here? Keep it simple. Start creating content for LinkedIn, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Experiment. See what works and where you get the most, hey, I see you reactions. Next, we're talking about making real connections. It's like when you're at a family gathering and you're not just saying hi, but you're really talking to people. In our world, every Zoom call, every live stream is a chance to make that personal touch. In your next video or your next live stream, don't just talk to people, talk with them, ask questions, give shout outs, make them feel seen and heard. Let's get into strategy. Think of your content like a smoothie. You want the right mix that tastes great and is easy to drink. No lumps in it. That means understanding what your audience likes and making it easy for them to enjoy your content. What can you do right now? Start by asking your audience what they want to see. Then use tools like CRM to keep track of their preferences. Keep it simple and keep it smooth. Now let's build your brand. You're not just selling a product or a service. You're selling a story, your story. You want people to say, hey, that's the guy who. So how do you do that? Be real. Share your journey, your ups and your downs. If you're a roofer, show that. If you love cooking, share recipes. Your brand is you. Start the day by sharing a story or a fun fact about yourself on social media. Let people inside. Finally, we're talking about staying fresh and innovative. The world's always changing, right? You gotta stay on your toes. New tech like AI and blockchain, don't sleep on them. They're like the secret ingredients to your success recipe. So pick one new thing to learn this month. Maybe it's a new app or how blockchain can help your business. Keep learning and keep growing. All right, guys, that's our Power Pack session for today. Remember, marketing isn't just about selling. It's about connecting, sharing, and being real. You've got the tools. Now it's time to shine. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more. Keep pushing, keep evolving, and let's win this marketing game together. Until next time, stay great.